Hello friends, I am Venkat Sahi. This is my thesis, course recommendation system using machine learning. This is the introduction. The course recommendation system is course recommendation based on user interest is designed to assist individual discovering their perfect courses by providing personalized recommendation. With the vast dataset of over 3000 courses, users can explore a wide range of the educational opportunities tailored to their interest and preference. The application incorporates user-friendly interface provided by the Streamlit framework, allowing user to navigate through the various features effortless upon logging in and creating a new account. User can create these preferred courses or selected from list of available options. The system that employs sophisticated recommendation algorithm is identifying similar courses that align in the user interest. The recommendation algorithm utilizes the pre-computed similarity matrix, which enables efficient and accurate development suggestion by considering factors such as course content, subject matter, and user ratings. The system generates list of most material and engaged course from the client to explore the further. In addition to the course recommendation functionality, the application offers scope of the management features. Learners can create a new account surely. The password hashing implemented safeguard their credentials. Existing user can log in their username and password, gain access to the personalized recommendation and additional features. The course recommendation based on user interest aims to empower individual in the pursuit knowledge and personal growth by providing tailored course recommendation. It faculty the exploration, diversity, learning opportunities and assets by finding course generator with the interested and goals. User can seek expand on the professional skills, explore hobbies, drop in knowledge, specific subject or areas. Application serves a value resource, guiding them towards the most suitable courses for their needs. Discovering your perfect courses today embark on the rewarding learning journey with the course recommendation based on user application in objectives to improve objectives, personalized course recommendation to learner based on their interest, to analyze learners' interest, characteristics and information, recommended the majority of the appropriate classes to their interest. Scope: course recommendation based on user interest application encompass user-friendly interface, personalized course recommendation, robust users manage features and potential feature enhancement. It aims to supply comprehensive and valuable platform for individual to find pursuing their ideal courses, forecasting lifelong learning mindset, easier, more convenient, personalized professional growth. Similarity matrix. A matrix is a mathematical learner and measuring the likeness among pairs object data points. It is commonly used to various environments such as DA, ML and PR. DA means data analysis, ML means machine learning and clustering. The matrix provides semantic way to compare similarity and dissimilarity of elements, and it plays the meaningful role the various algorithm techniques involved, including clustering, dimensionally reducing and row reduction and recommendation system. About similarity matrix, definition and purpose. A similarity matrix is a square array which each row I, j contains the value that quantifies the seamless elements I and j in the dataset. The design of the matrix is to provide a numerical representation of relationship between elements, making it easier to perform various analysis and computations. Data representation. In data analysis, Each data point often symbolized future vector and vector with multiple dimensions, such as in document clustering scenario. Each document may spoken as a vector. Their axis aligns with the frequency specific word in the document. The attribute array is used to figure seamless between pairs and the data point similarity measures. There are different ways to measure the seamless between two features vectors, and choices of the seamless finding depending on the data and specific matrix constructions. To construct a similarity matrix, each element I, j is filled with the measure between the data points represented by the vectors I and j. If the measure of symmetric, therefore SIM I, j is equal to similarity j, I. The resulting similarity matrix is also symmetric. Diagonal elements I, j are the often C to one or the maximum similarity value indicates the self-similarity of the data point with itself. Next, applications. Application corresponding array are the generally used clustering algorithm like hierarchical clustering or spiritual clustering to group similarity data points together. Collaborative filtering. In a recommendation system, similarity matrix used to search for items used that the corresponding to the given in item or user, helping to make personalized recommendation. Dimensionally reduction. It techniques like multidimensional scaling, MDS, and distributions, stochastic neighbor. Next, types of recommendation system. A recommendation system are three types: content-based filtering, collaborative filtering, and hybrid filtering. Content-based filtering. Content-based filtering is a recommender system that techniques suggested to item to the user based their previous preferences. If examines the characteristics of the collectively enjoy the past recommendation similarity items according, for example, dream of your student seeking course recommendation. The content-based filtering system analyzes branches of the study you have purchased before the considering attributes like subject, level, and instructor. It then suggested course with the similarity matrix to the ones you have liked before. The approach is beneficially as a tailored recommendation to your specific interest and preferences. You have received already multiple computer science communication system with the purpose other computer science courses at the similarity level and thought comparable instructions aligning with the user preferences. Northless. Collaborative filtering is a type of recommendation system that makes personalized prediction about user interest by collecting information, preferences, or taste information from the many users. The system that may uses information to recommendation that the user might like based on the preferences of the user with the similarity taste. It is popular technique used by the many recommendation engines, included those used by e-commerce website and streaming services. Two types collaborative filtering systems are there. First one, user-based collaborating system and item-based collaborative filtering. Second one, first one, user-based collaborative filtering. These approaches focus on finding similar user and recommendation objects that those sameness learning have liked. For example, if user A and user B have similar courses preference at user B has rated course X highly, then their system may recommended course X to a user A. Item-based collaborative filtering. In this process, towards the system identify similar courses item based on exchange with the user. In the recommendation system, courses similar matrix to the one of the user have previously enjoyed. For instance, if the user has rated course courses X highly, the system may recommended similar courses to the course X based on the other user instructions. Filtering mitigates the control content-based filtering, especially scenario where specific objects feature are not available or learning choices are most effective. By leveraging the wisdom of the crowd, collaborative filtering can be provided personalized and course recommendation to the learner based on the interaction by preferences. Hybrid filtering. Hybrid verifies it technique used to suggestion system the combination two or more recommendation approaches to the provided more accuracy and desired recommendation in the course recommendation. A hybrid filtering system may combine content-based and collaborative filtering to provide a more customized and varied recommendation. For example, system might be content-based filtering to recommended course that the one who have enjoyed the past based on attributes such as subject level and instructor. It may also be collaborative filtering to recommended courses other learners with the sameness interested having enjoyed based on their ratings on preferences. By combining their two approaches, the system can supply more perfect and varied recommendation. The content-based filtering combines safeguard that recommendation tailored to specific interest with the collaborative filtering using powerful technique. The course recommendation based on the provide more personalized and diverse recommendation, either content-based or collaborative filtering alone. Next, literature survey. The sparsity of first paper. The data sparsity of the starting problem is filtering recommended system can be effectively addressing novel research efforts aimed to resolving the data sparsity and cold start problem. Recommender system, one such study focused on improving system filtering by the incorporate user similarity and effective handling low quality data. Others approaches tackles data sparsity using clustering techniques and artificial neural networks with the collaborative filtering recommendations feature more and dedicate dataset optimizing for the study. The cold start problem recommendation system has been introduced the future enhancement cold start recommendation. Another study purpose of the fusion attention networking and meta learning techniques. Additionally, the two ontology based hybrid e-learning content recommendation system proposed offering valuable solution to cold start problem. Overall, these various studies contribute the advancement for the recommender system by holding their data sparsity, cold data and challenges. This is the second paper. The study purpose of the method to enhance content-based filtering by incorporate taxonomy and which offer the valuable additional information about the item. Content-based filtering is relies on item property and user item interface the generating recommendations by the integrating this taxonomy and the processed generates supplementary. ಇದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಯೂಸರ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಯೂಸರ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸರ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಮೇಲೆ ಡಾಟಾ ಸೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಾಟಾ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಡಾಟಾ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕಂಟೆಂಟು ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಮಿಲಾರಿಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಷನ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯೂಸರ್ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಷನ್ಸು ಶೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯೂಸರ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೋಲ್ ಬಾರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಥರ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. ಇದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸರ್ ಸೈನಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಸೈನಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಷನ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಷನಿಂದ ಯೂಸರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಯೂಸರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಯೂಸರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೋರ್ಸು ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಷನ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಯೂಸರ್, ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಾಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ವೆಬ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯೂಸರ್ ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟಾ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಡಾಟಾ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟರಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟಿಕ್ ವೆಬ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯೂಸರ್ ಅಥೆಂಟಿಕೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯೂಸರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕೋಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ SQL ಲೈಟ್ 3 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಾಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕಂದರೆ ಯೂಸರ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ SQL ಲೈಟ್ 3ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೀವಿ. ಇದು ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕೋಡ್ 2. ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ OS, ಪಿಕಲ್, ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ಲೀಟ್, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಲಿಬ್, ನಂಪೈ, ಪಾಂಡಾಸ್, ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಾಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಡಾಟಾ ಸೆಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಸಿಮಿಲಾರಿಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಷನ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಾಟಾ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಥರ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಟಾಪ್ 6 ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಷನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ. ಇದು ಯೂಸರ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಯೂಸರ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಾರ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ನೇಮು, ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಶಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೇಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸರ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಕೋಡ್ ಬಂದು ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಶಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹ್ಯಾಶಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ನ ಹೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ ಪೇಜ್. ಯೂಸರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಂದರೆ ಯೂಸರ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 6 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಥರ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯೂಸರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಎರರ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಿವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ವೈಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದು ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಶಾಟ್. ಇದು ಹೋಮ್ ಪೇಜ್, ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಿಂದು ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ಲೀಟಿಂದು ಹೋಮ್ ಪೇಜ್. ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರರ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಶೋನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯೂಸರ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎರರ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸರ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೈನ್ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಲಾಗಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎರರ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯೂಸರ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶೋ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಷನ್ ಅಂತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಶೋ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಷನ್ಸು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು HTML, CSS ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜಾವಾಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ವೆಬ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಎ ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ MySQL ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶೋ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಶೋ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The course recommendation based on user inter-application of the powerful tool for the individual seeking personalized course recommendation with the extensive course dataset, user-friendly interface and the sophisticated recommendation algorithm. The application empowers the user explorer wide range of the educational opportunities tailored and to their interest and preference. By leveraging the capability of the Streamlit framework, the application provides the seamless interactive experience for the user and enabling them to easily navigate system through the available features and discovering, of course, their goals. The proposal algorithm takes input various factors Such course contains subject matter and user ratings to generate accurate, relevant suggestions. To reach the application extends behind the course recommendation, encompasses the user registration, authentication, and the profile management functions. User can create accounts surely managing their preferences and access personalized to view their recommendation courses. The inclusion of the feature like course filtering, sorting, and details course description feature with enhancing experience enabling informed decision making future scope. Your talent, interest, and qualification will be taken into account when user create user suggested jobs from the course recommendations. The course seeking giving patient employment possibilities that may professional goals and examines your profile and preferences. Your chance of locating rewarding approaches, career opportunities to improve their targeted approaches.